This video examines the Blacksmith Turner Guild Daybook of smelter work, focusing on iron bronze hard alloy workshops, particularly through inscriptions H845, H875, M2107, and M2108. Inscriptions like H845 utilize field symbols and rebus interpretations. Examples include, quote, ox, suggesting mixed alloys, and trough, hinting at the goldsmith's guild, and merchant. Further rebus readings on H845 point to a smelting furnace, workshop, and implements. Other signs refer to, quote, blacksmith, scribe, trade account, and turner, detailing the activities of a blacksmith turner merchant guild. Inscriptions M2108 and M2107, featuring an ivory stick, also describe the Blacksmith Turner Merchant Guild's Daybook of smelter work for iron bronze hard alloy workshops. H875B on side B contains symbols interpreted as smithy, forge, and blacksmith. Other interpretations suggest, quote, metal casting and, quote, implements, all relating to the Blacksmith Turner Guild's Daybook and workshop.